This thin USB charger with its ultra-compact design offers fast and efficient charging at home, in the office, or on your travels. You can see how compact it is compared to other charging adapters. Simply unfold and click the earthed pin into place. Connect your desired charging lead, and there you have it. This handy little charger can charge a variety of smartphones and tablets, from iPhones and iPads to the new Galaxy S4 and Galaxy Note. The light on your adapter will turn green once your device is fully charged.